A new character has been unlocked on Jamaica TikTok. Yes, so if you're a Christian, skip this video. If you're a family member, skip this video. Let's take in a new character that was unlocked in Jamaica.
Never know, say, Mr. Girl teach me some things. I know, say, woman teach man more than when man teach them. Then, me never know, say, me call her bitch. Me like her, and me thinking me call her bitch is a disrespect. And she say, call me bitch no, call me bitch no. And I say, dirty bitch, stinking like that. She said, me I call me, say, gee, then, all the f***ing just if it's a bitch. Me never know this to blood clot. Brother, that want to beat me.
Listen me, I never know I'm supposed to call a woman that either. Like, really? This new to me. Anyways, it's a comment section video tonight again, so me I go in nice comment section. But of course, you know, women like to be called naughty stuff in the bedroom. If you ever call a woman bitch as an insult in an argument, she takes in thing and lick you. But if you call her bitch in the bedroom, while loving sweetheart, oh gosh, she love you even more. I'm not saying, but
A lot of them.
HOE. Big up all woman. See? First comment, a new star born. Me tell you no. Me never know to father. Learn a couple years ago. Well, at least you learned a couple years ago, brother. Who uncle this? So them love it. Yep. The woman that love bad things. That's why them love bad man. Jesus have mercy upon the man ya. A true man him out nasty. I pastor, you know. What woman say a true, you see it? Women love to be called naughty stuff in the bedroom. It turns them on. Well, that was not a comment, that was me saying it. Every day you're off a Jamaica barrel, a new character get pushed out. You're up in, poof! New character. I guess this a new character, pastor. It depends upon the context and on every one of them. The one them where you think proper, love it the most. Hey, listen. You see in the bedroom, anything goes. You see if she rate you, if she like you, worse if she love you, anything goes, man. You call her anything. You beat her up, man, during sex. And she's good with it. She like it. I don't do those stuff. I'm a Christian. Uncle, she says spice the thing up, which is right. Pastor Mark. Pastor run it up. Hey, talk truth. No lie was told. Oh my gosh. Somebody said mercy God with be a laughing emoji. One lady named Terry. You see Terry them? Let me not say. Facts. Them love hear that word, you know. And then you hear them a come now. After you call them bitch, baby me a come. Then lie you see. Then I come away. Where I come go? Town? Somebody said new character unlock. Who this here now, man? The fall of a nation begins with the individual. Monk, man. Stop it nice. Yeah, spoil the thing. Be a laughing emoji, be a laughing emoji, be a laughing emoji. But yes, somebody did say they love it, but it depends on the time, which I explained. If you're in an argument and say, go girl, you're bitch. Yo, then take piece, I wanna lick you, I wanna beat you up. But if you call it, if you say, hey girl, you're bitch, when you loving a sweet them, they say, yes, me, you're bitch, baby. And I'm a bar. Anyways. Me I be myself tonight. New character again. I run it up, so we are do 2 nights of this passed away. Him out nasty. Alright.
Yeah, me know about the pull your ear or something, you know. But you can't pull some of them get like ear, a wig them have on, it will come off like your hand. You come like you don't know about this. You have to be careful. When you hold on for them get like ear, it no effect, cause wig. Here you go, so. Me? Hold on pan Jamaican get, hey, listen to me now, I'm money for buy back the Brazilian here. I don't have $1 for go pay for the hairstyle. Hold on pan what them a wig.
Listen me, I shoot Pastor talking to Pastor Mark. I said they call him Pastor Mark. I shoot him a talk, man. You can't hold any ladies are here here I come off in your hand. Big up all of the women them we have them Brazilian hair or whatever hair, Peruvian hair, whatever. But I prefer my women with natural hair, whether long or short or bald. You just gotta be natural for me. I prefer woman with natural body, whether slim, thick, or slim thick. I can't too manage a big one then because I don't really date woman who can't lift up. Me I talk the truth. But me like them same way because me like his shape and the figure and the curve this. But me don't want nobody who can beat me up. Let me talk the truth. Me don't want nobody who look like them can beat me up. You see me skinny? Okay then. Anyways, let's get in the comment section. Somebody say, Pastor, come off this app. And who get the senior citizen your TikTok? You have to be careful. A true man, you can't grab it here, so you have to take time and pull it. Because no fight time, you know, it's not even sew in or nothing. You just put on it on your head. I just want a wig, so as you go so, it gone in your hand. And then they cuss you like a dog. And sometimes, you see, if they like you, they don't cuss you like a dog, because they might enjoy the moment too. You see, if they don't like you, that's when they cuss you like a dog. So if your woman there yard and you and she a cuss like a dog, every day she don't like you. And she a give you a bun. There's a 90% chance she a give you a bun, yeah. Alright, somebody else say, why them not take him phone? This man ever tell him say him a pastor? A true man, why them not call him Pastor Mark? Anytime him and Jerry link up a problem. Yo, this man I'm out now say that for Jerry. And who for pastor this? A TikTok pastor. Jamaican new TikTok character unlock. Pastor up this right now. So me know you wise in a elder. Elder been around the block. Anyways, you have to be careful. Yes, you have to be gentle. Don't touch me here. Really, lady, you're boring. I would have never date you. Boss lady. Me not calling other part-time name. You're boring, boss lady. Go on, boy, your business. Yeah, you have to do one test first. True. Who sent him? Where him page name? Me a dead. Talk facts me killer. Somebody want to know boss page. You know somebody don't know him page yet? That's crazy. DWL same way. Me use crazy glue pan minds. And I'm gonna end it right there. Me hoping you like that. If you don't like it, subscribe, click the notification bell, and most importantly right now, share the video because YouTube beat me bad. 31,000 subscribers and 100 views. YouTube, you're a piece of POS, man. If you don't know what POS mean, Google it. Yeah, man. Anyways, thank you. Stay safe. God bless.
Lie, you must have to tell lie. Listen to me now. Don't tell girl lie and say if you get no idiot boy, Leon.